So guys, first you want to go to the folder where you have DaVinci Resolve installed. You can right click on DaVinci Resolve and then click on Open File Location. So you want to open up the DaVinci Resolve folder and you want to find a file called opencl.dol. If you don't see the .dol extension on the end, you want to click on View and then click on Show. Make sure you have file name extensions ticked. Now you want to find opencl.dol. I'm going to scroll down till I find it. Here it is, opencl.dol. If you don't see it here, then you can search for it. Just type in opencl.dol and it should appear right here. Now once you find opencl.dol, you want to rename it. So you want to right click on it and then click on Show More Options and then click on Rename. You can rename it to anything. Just make sure that you keep .dol at the end. So I'm going to type in like opencl. I'm just going to type in the letter N, for example, so opencln.dol and then click on Enter. Once you rename the folder, you can now open up DaVinci Resolve and it should be working for you. If it's not working, then just restart your PC, come back into Windows and then open up DaVinci Resolve again and then it should be working.